Welcome to our Who's the Most Important People in Electric Vehicles Today series of 12 shorts that quickly explain the real power players in EVs. If you want to know about all 12, well, just click the link in the top right-hand corner. If not, watch this short. Number 10, let's get right into the list. Thomas Ulbrich. Now, this guy is what we have defined as the wild card. He used to be number 3 on our list, and we have moved him because of what just happened. So this is the person that was the head of the e-mobility board for Volkswagen, and he was a lifer for VW. After getting his engineering degree in '92, he went straight to work at the Wolfsberg plant management team. By '96, he was the head of VW logistics in China. 2001, he's the technical managing director and the spokesman for the board of the VW subsidiary inside the Wolfsberg factory, named Auto 5000. You think, what is that? That is the little subsidiary that was hiring former VW workers to work back in the plant they were laid off of at a lower price. They built things like the Tiguan. The point is, it's a very interesting and odd management position. By 2008, he was on the VW board of management for VW commercial vehicles. Then he moved back to China with Shanghai-Volkswagen, where he was the VP of logistics. By 2014, he returned to Germany doing roughly the same job, but for the entire VW company globally. Since 2018, he's been on the VW e-mobility board, which is responsible for the ID subbrand, ID3, ID4, that kind of stuff. Volkswagen just announced that they were dissolving that board, and now Ulbrich has nowhere to go in the company. He was given a downgrade option to move back to China that he didn't want to take. He wants to move up. So why is he important? Well, by 2025, VW is expected to produce around 1.5 million EVs, possibly making them the largest EV manufacturer in the world. And a lot of the stuff he did with the company is going to be seen in future products. And you think, okay, well, that's past. What's he going to do in the future? Well, this guy, we've labeled him the wild card because we don't know where he's going to go. And he wants EVs to go mainstream. His catchphrase is electric cars for the millions, not the millionaires. This guy's going to end up with some company, and he's possibly going to change the world of EVs. We'd like to interject for just 10 seconds to ask you to click like if this is the kind of thing that you like. It really helps us with the Google algorithm. And if you're interested in electric vehicles, the energy industry, high technology, things like that, please click subscribe because that's the kind of thing we talk about. Thanks.